guys, thanks for joining me today. This is Anita White with Love Your Art, and we are going to be doing a 10 by 20 canvas that is already covered with a base coat of black, and that black happens to be this, the Artist Loft Acrylic Flow Black mixed with Floetrol and water. And I'm going to begin just by popping the air bubbles, and then we'll talk about the layering colors. We always want to look for any debris when we're popping bubbles. Anything that could have possibly gotten into our paint. It could be dried paint, it could be something that has no real understanding of its origin, but somehow it's in the paint and we want to get it out as quick as possible so that it doesn't interfere with our design. If you notice, this is a 10 by 20 and I've actually turned it sideways, thinking that maybe I would try to do something maybe a little bit more diagonal, but doing it this way. And our colors for today will be the Liquitex Basic Hooker Green, the Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet, Blickacrylic, and this is the Fluorescent Violet Pink, and this is what it looks like in the cup. Okay, and on top of that we have Pebeo Studio Copper Iridescent. I have some Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White in this squeeze bottle. It's the same as this. And I will be using a drizzle of the black perhaps as well. So popping the air bubbles and making sure that nothing is in our paint. My idea here is to try and capture a design where we do have some negative space, but we're doing a diagonal with just one panel of a 10 by 20. Again, we're going to begin with this beautiful Hooker Green and taking it sort of like that over there. Yeah, that's nice. On top of that, this Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. And I will list these colors in the description box below in case you miss anything. I also want to say that all of the colors are mixed with Floetrol and water. It's basically a 2-part Floetrol, 1-part paint, and mixing it with a little bit of water to ensure a pretty even consistency of the paints, which is critical to your design. If you have some paint that's a bit thicker or some that may be a bit thinner, it can have some problems with how your paint combinations of colors work well and combine well with each other. Don't want to put too much black in here because we already have a black base, but just a drizzle. And I do want to put more of the white on top of this in hopes of getting some beautiful lacing. Oops. Okay. So there we have our colors. We also need to take our torch and pop the air bubbles. Yeah, that's what you want to do. I'm going to move this out just a little bit away from me. You always want to wear gloves when you're dealing with dark colors like black because they really do help prevent getting paint all over your hands, unless you want to fight with that. Let's see what we can do with this combination. I believe I'm going to try and blow this way and maybe that way. We'll see, starting in the middle. Decided to give us this debut cutout. Sometimes this happens when we least expect. I don't know if it's overheated. It's hot. It is off also. So, backup plan. Almost done, so we want to see what we can do to finish this up. Don't know why that decided to turn off. Apparently it got overheated. And I'm liking this. It is so pretty. I think I'm going to try to go up on that side. That was way too high, way too much. Well, I'm not going to get rid of this. This blow dryer problem. Just a second. I think I'm just going to take. I need to take all of that off. Well, maybe I will, just so that I don't ruin this. I'm going to take this off, and some of this off. A lot of color up under there, a lot of black up under there still. And what we're going to do is just add some more black to this side and more paint going up that side so that we can finish blowing it out, because this really is very, very pretty. The colors are super beautiful. Can't wait to show it to you. Let's get this smeary really taken care of quickly. I think I want to smear that out. Okay, we lost a lot of paint on that part. I think I'm going to take that out too. It's leaving its own little design of paint, but we want to cover that up. And see if we can't capture some more beauty with the way we laid those colors out. Okay, just about there. Okay. You can see how messy black can be. Oh, we're getting it in everything. Just a little touch will go everywhere. All right, I think we can fix it with this. So let's see what we do here. Air bubbles. And we started with the hunter green. So we're going to take it here. on up to the edge. Then we had this red, white, blue, violet. Our fluorescent pink. Let's see if we can do it maybe this way. Okay. And copper. A little bit of the black and white. And we will take a torch to that and see if we can't, I don't know if this is cooled off yet, but it quit on me and it's hot. Let's see. It's warmed up again. Let's see if we can go up and then kind of out and over. All right, here we go. Try it again. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Now that I am pleased with. Yeah. I'm looking at it from this angle. Very pretty. Indeed. Well, because we had so much paint on there, the one thing I want to do quickly is begin finding a way to protect this design. I love the accented white, how it shows up on the black, along with all the other color combinations. It's just beautiful. Really, they are beautiful. I want to put a beautiful coat of resin on this. Make sure it dries. I'm going to pop this just a little bit. We added some paint. See an air bubble here. There we go. Nice. Little tiny one there. Cool. That is just gorgeous. Probably could add more color in here, but it really does just make it stand out a little bit more. It's not overbearing by having just a break in the color there. Nice, very nice. Okay, our popsicle stick around here. And then, you know, you want to come back and do this maybe every 10 to 15 minutes until you're not able to grab any paint from underneath. But this is something that's an absolute must if you want to maintain the integrity of your design, keeping it from moving. As long as there's paint coming off, your design is moving. All right, let's do this. Bring you in for a close-up. Look at those beautiful sails, and you can see once again that iridescent Pebeo Studio Iridescent Copper is just taking it on. It is really adding a beautiful shimmer to this design. I love it. Gold, oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Here's that hooker green with the white lacing. The black and white together makes for beautiful lacing. You can see that beautiful lacing, milky white lacing there. And that's on the edge. Here you come down, you can see all of that rich copper and some of the fluorescent pink all blending in. All those colors are blending in, and you get lacing, and there it is right there on the end. So gorgeous. And inside you can see what that hooker green has done. I tell you, if you want to hook up, get hooker green. It does the job really, really well. Look at this. Oh, all of that beautiful iridescent color, shimmer. All of these colors are just standing out beautifully. Look at how that clusters with the copper, and all of the lacing is just amazing. It's a beautiful piece. Let's see if we can turn the studio lights off and see if it does any better with the exposure for you. See if we can see it any better. Yep, that's one of them. Okay, here we go. Studio lights off and just one ring light on. Nice. Let me see, I'm not sure. I haven't tried this with the ring light off. I'm going to try that, see what happens. Okay, we're in the dark for sure. Yeah, oh my, that lacing is just gorgeous. And that shimmer, ooh, I just love this. This is so beautiful. I'm glad I decided to turn the canvas sideways. But of course, when it's hung, it could be displayed any way you choose. But look at this. Right here, this area where that copper just outlines the white. Oh my goodness, beautiful. Love it, I love it, I love it. I am very, very pleased with these colors and the combination that they bring together. Once again, we know how to make them speak for themselves. We just put it down and they just do all the work. So here you have a 10 by 20 beautiful Dutch pour with black base, and all the colors have been mixed with Floetrol and water. They'll be listed in the description box below. So if you're interested in this piece, it is available. Please email me at anitawhite.loveyourart@gmail.com. And also, please like and subscribe if you haven't. We're building our channel, and we really want to have everyone be a part of helping us to grow, and give us your feedback so that we can know how to best serve you. We're here for that, to make sure that you can give your input as well. So, until next time, I hope you like and subscribe and share and leave a comment so we know what you think. But until next time, keep loving your art. Thanks again for joining us.